So to create an online survey, log into CNU, go to your Drive, click New, scroll down, go to Google Forms. It's a very user-friendly system that's going to start off where you can put some information in, and then you have some options down here to do add a question, import questions, titles, add images, you can embed videos, and then you can do a section break. I recommend you have a section break after your consent form, after your measures and materials, and then at the end right before your debriefing form. So here, the first page is going to be my consent form. I put a sample consent form on Blackboard's lab page, and you can just type it in here where you have your information. We have the risks and benefits. We have the consent, and then we have do they agree to participate. To do the agree to participate, we just say here, I am over, or I am 18, or over, older, and I agree to participate. And then the types of questions we can have are right here. Very user-friendly, just explore it, pick the most appropriate one. For this, it's multiple choice, and we would say yes, and then no. If we add in subsequent sections, we also have the option then of if they say no to redirect them to perhaps our last slide where we just say thank you. To do that, you click these three buttons here, and it will say go to section based on answer. Let's go ahead and put in a section break. And I'll have this as my page 2. And let me do another one. Another section break. And I'm going to have this as page 1. So I just have page 1 and 2, just to illustrate how we go to the next section. So I come back up here and I do go to section based on answer. Click that, and now right here on the drop down you can see it says page 1 and page 2. And that way if they click yes, they can go to page 1. If they click no, they go to page 2. Other types of questions we might want to put in are our second ones where we might have measures of personality. So we would start off by saying, I am outgoing. And then we can do our Likert-like scale of strongly disagree. And then it should, when we click the next one, recognize that we're doing a Likert-like scale, and so it automatically puts them in for us. Such a wonderful system. Then what we can do is if this is our first question and our second question is similar to it, we can come over here to our copy, our duplicate. Then you'll notice the I am outgoing is now twice. I can just change this word now to talkative. And that way it's a really quick way to start building my survey. So we're going to start off with our consent form. Then we move into our first measure or manipulation, then we move into our second one. Then the last page will be our debriefing form, where we just say, thank you for participating. And we may disclose more information about our survey or give them our contact information. The vital important thing you need to do is go under settings and unclick restrict to CNU users. That way your friends and family can also take this. When you are ready to send this out, you click the send button. Click this link icon. You can copy and paste this or shorten it, and then copy and paste this. And you can paste it to social media or email it out to your friends and family. Also, drop that link on a Blackboard page that I will set up, and I will gather them all, and then I will distribute them to our class so our class can take it. Later on when we return, I'll share with you some other information about this responses button. That's once our data has been collected.